K24 full swap, built head, fully built, Ferrera everything.
Like, this is pretty nice. This is something nice. And he was like, yeah, I'm pushing out some numbers too.
Spins most of the way through third, and then it'll hook up.
No, for this little car, that's a lot of power. What's going on, guys? Daily on Supercars. We're still a fuel fest right now. We got Alex here. Alex got something very nice. He's pushing out some numbers, but I want him to tell you about it. Alex, talk to me. What you got on this?
The 99 Integra GSR, the K24 full swap, built head, 90mm throttle body on E85, made almost 600 horsepower. I started this whole car as a shell, there wasn't anything in it. Did the engine bay, painted the car, all the carbon fiber, the suspension, brakes, everything. Everything but the paint I did myself.
Wow, so you put in a lot of hours in this.
Yeah, everything but the paint was all me.
Wow. Tell me again about the engine.
It's a K24.
Okay.
A1 block, A2 head, fully built, Ferrera everything, and drag cartel 3.2 cams. It's got a 6266 precision turbo, 1700cc injectors, big 90mm throttle body, lots of air, and I mean, other than that, it's a really smooth car.
When I saw Alex earlier, I'm like, yo, Alex, this is pretty nice. This is something nice. And he was like, yeah, I'm pushing out some numbers too.
Big 90mm throttle body, center feed manifold, T4 turbo manifold, 60mm wastegate, runs on E85.
It runs on E85. Wow. You've done a couple of things on it.
Yeah.
How many hours of work have you done to this car already?
Oh, endless. The whole build took about 2 years from beginning to end. Bought the car as a shell and started from scratch. Painted the car, did the engine bay, built the motor, all the carbon, the suspension, everything, front to back, the interior, all of it.
Wow. And you say you're pushing out some crazy little numbers. What's the pound of boost you got on this, and what's the number? To the tires or to the crank? Talk to me.
It makes 409 pounds to the tires and 590 at 16 pounds.
You said 400 to the tires on 9, and you said at 16 pounds, you got 590. 590. Wow, guys, that's a lot of power. Again, let's not forget this is a little shell. You know, it is an Integra. What is it? 2,600 pounds.
Yeah,
so this is pretty light.
2,600 pounds.
Like 2,600 pounds.
Yeah.
And is she hooking?
On low boost it'll hook. On high boost it spins a little bit, but eventually it'll get there.
Wow. So what you got it right now for the street?
I drive around on 400 all the time.
On 400, wow. And she's hooking at 400.
400, it hooks no problem, and it's tons of fun.
Oh, wow. And I got the big question. Is she a daily?
No, absolutely not. I drive her here and there, but mostly it's just a garage queen.
You said it's a garage clean, yeah. Well, again, you don't see these type of cars out here. And the thing is that, yeah, let it be garage, you know, let it be garage. She's a beauty of thing. And what you got for wheels and tires?
It's got R88Rs, RPF1s. They're 16 by 8.
You said they 16 by 8. Wow,
yeah.
Wow. She's a thing of beauty. And how many hours do you say you put into this car already?
If I had to add it up, it's got to be easily over 200 hours with having driving and back and forth, buying parts and to the paint shop, and then getting the engine bay done and fab work. It adds up real fast.
Wow. And what have you done to the interior?
So it still has all the original door panels, dashboard. I removed the rear seats. It's got NRG Prisma fixed racing position buckets with
so these seats don't move.
No, they don't move. They slide back and forth, but that's it.
Okay, gotcha. Wow, guys, it is very snug here. She's a thing of beauty, though. Again, it is an Integra, so. Wow, this is nice. And talk to me about these chairs. Why? There's a lot of sprinkles back there. Is that carbon fiber or no?
No, these are, they actually don't sell these ones with the carbon fiber back. The same company that sells the steering wheel actually has the seats that I want, but they're on back order for like the past like 6 months.
Wow. Damn, guys, this is something nice. You really don't, well, you do see the Integras out here. You're just not gonna see them in the street no more. Because again, they have become pure show cars. Pure show cars. And you said you got something else in the trunk?
Yeah. Got a little system. I did the rear seat delete kit. I bought it from the UK, had it shipped over. So everything stays nice and covered. It all looks one piece and flush.
Wow, this is very nice, very nice. Alex, you've done a wonderful job. Again, we have to stop by just to show people what you've done to this car. And again, it's a thing of beauty. And yes, guys, she is pushing some crazy power. Again, Mr. Alex got to get it together with the tires because 590, that's a lot of power. So you already know these cars are not gonna hook. Alex, thank you for your time again.
Of course, anytime.
Thank you.